This is incredible. The guy goes home for Chinese New Year and accidentally breaks his car's side mirror. When he gets to the repair shop, they actually give him a brand new original replacement mirror, a whopping $1,000. The frustrated guy just drove back home. He managed to fully restore the mirror at home using zip ties, saved a ton of money, and the fix is almost as good as new. First, the guy removes the outer casing of the side mirror. He gets some wire mesh, places it over the cracked area of the mirror, then marks lines on the mesh. He cuts along the marked lines. He takes the cut mesh and presses it with a heated soldering iron, melding it into the plastic of the mirror casing. The mesh acts like the reinforcement bars when building a house. It shapes and secures the structure. 68-0. Once that's done, you stick an aluminum foil tape in place here to prevent any leakage when filling later. Next, light a candle. Take out the prepared zip ties and place them on a metal spoon. Heat them with the candle. The spoon melts the zip ties into a liquid. Once they're all liquefied, quickly pour it into the front hole of the cracked side mirror. Step 3. Heat up an X-Acto knife with a candle. With a heated knife, you can sculpt the filler. Once it's smoothed out, use sandpaper to make it flush. Last step, hang up the repaired mirror and give it a coat of black spray paint. That mirror will look good as new. You won't even notice. This is way more fitting than getting a new one.